Hi, my name is Neeraj. I'm the founder of Madhawk Games. Today, I want to share my thoughts on entrepreneurship. I think to become an entrepreneur these days looks really cool, but it is not cool like it seems. A country like India, where I'm living, so many students do suicide when they get bad grades or they fail in exams. So there is so much pressure on students. I think you can't create entrepreneur when you have so much pressure of society to just perform well in every field. That's why you can't see so many entrepreneurs in India like the USA. In India, people just prefer government jobs over business any day. So, to become an entrepreneur in India is 200% difficult than becoming an entrepreneur in the USA. There are some benefits in India too, like the cost of living is lower outside the big cities. Even if we talk about entrepreneurship globally, it makes your life responsibilities double than the others. Because, first of all, it is a lonely journey. In the starting, you need to work hard even if you don't see results. And when you don't see results, you need to believe in your vision and ignore all other noises. When you hire someone, it increases risk if they don't do the right job. So many things you need to keep in your mind. For me, entrepreneurship is a creative process where you want to leave something you believe in the world. For the business side of things, entrepreneurship is a risk taking journey. You should take calculated risk. Above all, entrepreneurship is a learning journey. Don't just make one way of making money. Try new things because it's a never ending journey. This was my thoughts on entrepreneurship. Please let me know what you think about entrepreneurship.